Do I have a developer's dream for you today? Let's go take a look. I'm Susan Holland with the Firm Real Estate Agency, and today I want to show you a firm property that is in a fantastic location to build a beautiful neighborhood. As you can see, this 13.88 acres would be the perfect building spot for one-level homes or homes with basements with the gently rolling and level areas. This land is annexed into the city of Ozark and is already platted. It is subject to be rezoned to fit your vision. Can't you just picture beautiful homes in this area right across the street from the Ozark East Elementary? There is easy access to Hartley Road that runs between the land and the elementary school. How convenient. Here is the school outlined in green across from the land. And take a look at this great road. So much potential in this perfect location on the south side of Ozark. If you're interested in this beautiful location for a great neighborhood across from Ozark East Elementary, just give me a shout. You can call or text me or send me an email. If you are interested in more Ozark area properties, go ahead and click the subscribe, hit the like, and click the bell for notifications for my weekly video. I'm Susan Holland, and I love living in the Ozarks.